Hey y'all, how's everyone doing? It is so late at night and I'm getting ready to go to bed. I'm talking kind of soft because Lance has already gone to bed. Oh my gosh, my hair. Y'all, and I love these earrings. I finally found them again. Do y'all remember me purchasing these and showing them to y'all, and then I lost them? I flat out lost them. And I couldn't find them. And they were at the bottom of my jewelry dish on my dressing table, right where they should be. So I don't know why. But aren't they fun? I love them. I love that they're just plain brass. These are actual brass, like upside down U's. And then a little gold disc, and that's all. That's all they are. They're just kind of geometric. How's my hair? Y'all, it's late. But I had to do an unboxing. Because I've waited and waited for this to the point that I'm wondering. Okay, this is called, it's made by the brand Windbreaker. And this is Elizetta, which I'm Elizabeth. So let's see. I probably waited too long to even return this thing now. But I needed me a raincoat. An actual raincoat. So here it is. What do you think? It's red. I think that's so fun. And what I liked about it, it buttons up. So this could be all year. I mean, this could, except for probably the dead of winter. It's an extra large. It's got these real pretty buttons that they're black and they have like a marble white in them. So it's a nice looking button. Let's undo it. And I may just slip it on. But I wanted to show y'all. It has a double buttoned collar, so it'll stand up good when it's pouring down rain. And it's got this little hood. But you also can fold that back and just let it be, just a true windbreaker or a raincoat. Now, I know these are going to be too long because everything's always too long on me. I may go to my tailor. I have a friend that does tailor. Actually, she's gone. What will I do? Most dry cleaners have a tailor. Anyway, and I may have them cut this off, but it just depends. So we'll see in a minute. I don't know if I want to have it taken up because in the winter when you have sweaters on or in the fall, you may want that extra length because actually it pulls up because you puff out. Alright, and then it does have pockets. Oh, and I like this. It's got pockets, but it's got these little cuffs over it. So you can stick them in. Like you can push that in if you want to. And just have little pockets. Or if you don't want to wear pockets. And that's just a nice little detail. Is it lined? It is. Lined on the inside, as you can see, which is nice. Very, very nice. Why is that there? A little tie. So let me step to the right a little and try this on for you. Because the thing about this is, let me get the little hood on. I want to be sure. Yes, it goes all the way over. Oh my! And here's what else is important. You want this to come down a little. And I always feel like doing that. But if you do that, it catches the rain, goes all over you. You want it to do this so that the rain will go, in front of you and not caught up. So I have longer hair, so I would have to push my hair back. But I like that if it's just pouring down rain and you don't want to carry an umbrella, look. You can really tighten this up if you want to. I love that. And you know what? I don't need to shorten the sleeves. They are a little poofy, but that's okay. And this is also a really pretty resilient color. I don't know if you can tell that the color is really nice. Now I'm wearing hot pink fingernails, and it still looks fine. Yeah, this is great. So I can button it up, or I think it was like a little cord in here, and I don't know what that would be for. Okay, I must have saw it wrong. I love it, y'all, and it goes down right past my knee, and I wanted it to be past my knee, because when it's really cold and it's pouring down rain, you want to be able to sit on your raincoat, because if you sit down in the rain, you'll get your butt wet. And so this will go all the way down past my butt and actually my thighs. So it will keep me nice and warm. And it will keep the rain off me. That's the main thing. It's wind resistant, lightweight, and water resistant. I wonder if water resistant means eventually it's going to sink through. I thought it was water repellent. Well, now that just changes everything. But it's also a good windbreaker. And you know how sometimes you need just a good windbreaker. You don't need a full coat. So, yeah. And also if it's pouring down rain, you can't worry about your hair. Because look, now my hair's all mushed down. But that's okay. It looks fine. I like it, y'all. What do y'all think? Again, the brand, from what I understand, is the Windbreaker jacket. Oh, you can order this at thewindbreakerjacket.com. I got an XL, and I'm a size 16-18, which I'm not afraid to tell y'all. I'm overweight, and I need to lose. I talked to my doctor, and they do want me to lose 10 pounds in the next 2 months. They really want me to be very strict on carbs, no carbs, and whole foods, and healthy fats and proteins. So I've really got to get some weight off, y'all. So if y'all pray, please pray for me, because I need to do it. My cholesterol was high, and I had a little bit of plaquing in the artery of the heart. So it's like, okay, this is nothing to mess around with. My sugar was actually good, but I still feel like it could have been a lot better. So I'm still not diabetic. I'm pre-diabetic, so this is the time to reverse. Excuse me. To reverse it. So, anyway, I wonder what y'all think of this jacket. I love it. I'm keeping it. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to take the tags off. That means you own it. I think I owned it anyway. But anyway, I just wanted to show that to y'all. And I'll talk to y'all again soon. Love y'all. Bye.